Let's see who's in the house tonight. Where the babies at? Where the 60 babies at? Who was born in 1960? Where the 60 babies at? It's about y'all bedtime. Yeah. I said a nigga smell icy hot. Yeah. On this side say blue cross, blue shield. Where the 70 babies at? 70 babies. You ain't old, but you ain't young either no more. You better get your shit together. You better turn your life over to God, nigga. Your hips is moving up. You better get a Bible and a Beijing, nigga. Where the 80 babies at? 80 babies? You crackhead motherfuckers. This y'all mom and daddy right here. Crackheads act like don't nobody see them. Yeah, the whole neighborhood just seen you cross the street. Where the 90 babies at? 90 babies! Pastor Molly, I'm sweating. 90 babies can't cook, can't fuck, nothing. Bunch of spoiled motherfuckers is what you is. Yeah, shit. That's what Obama's having problems with, these new motherfuckers. Shit. These little kids will shoot shit out of you. You know, we'll threaten a nigga before we do it. These young motherfuckers now ain't saying nothing. You be laying there with a hole in you, you'll be a little baby with a pamper on. Bitch ass nigga. Man.